everyone! I want to show you something I've been working on lately. I'm a total brown thumb, so I've been making pom-pom pot plants, no maintenance pot plants. And the best part about them is trimming the pom-poms. It's like oddly satisfying. It's a total stress reliever. Bump the mic. Sorry. So, I've been repurposing containers to catch the pom-pom trimmings, M&M's and Nutella. Of course, I've been making this red one. Here's the trimmings. It's not all red trimmings in there. There are other things in there, but I haven't fixed this one down yet. I've been trying to work on making it into like a nice shape, and I keep seeing bits that I want to trim and shape and try to get more symmetry to it. Oh, these plants are for sale, by the way, so contact me if you want to purchase, because they are like serious stress relief. Oh, I've repurposed some materials around my home to make the base part, and the top part is I used a giant pom-pom maker and some really thick chunky yarn. Is merino wool, this one. The super chunky ones are the merino. I couldn't find non-animal product vegan yarn that's that chunky yet. I'm trying to source some. But so far the chunkiest yarn I can find is this merino. And I've bought it from homelylass.com.au. No AU? Search for Homely Lass online. It's an Australian, so it's Australian merino. So I hope it's as ethical as I can get it. Sad face. Anyway, moving on. I tried to make some little baby pom-poms to put like seeds, like little seeds in this tree. It's the only way I can garden with my brown thumb. Alright. Let me show you how relieving this trimming is. I use these fabric scissors with a really pointy tip. I searched online for a while to find the best pom-pom making scissors because I was struggling with this really thick chunky yarn, and I found also on Homely Lass these were the best recommended scissors for this yarn, so I bought them, and they really are, they're perfect. So but grab any scissors that will work with your fabric, your the yarn on your pom-pom pot plant. And I'm doing it over my container so don't make too much of a mess. I'm just going to trim off the bits that seem to be sticking out a little bit. Let's see, I've got that little forest here. I even made a little tiny, a little shrub version. I had some leftover purple chunky yarn, and I don't know, I don't want to trim that one yet. That one looks pretty circular. What's this one doing over here? There's some little bits on the side I can trim off. Yes. It's like ASMR if I get a better microphone. Make your own ASMR by just trimming your pom-pom. Mindful trimming. Mindfulness. It's like your mindful adult colouring books, but more physical. I guess I don't sit still enough with colouring books than I would with trimming these. Like, this is more relaxing to me than that or colouring books. I just want to sit and trim. Alright. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, wherever it is. You'll find it.